This is a basic stick figure tutorial. So I like to do stick figures by just starting with a circle. Doesn't even have to be a very good circle. Just like this. Then a line, not a very big one. This is a neck. A lot of people will do stick figures and they have the lines coming right out of the head like that. It works, but I prefer having a little bit of space for the neck. So right there and right there. And then you want to extend these just a little longer if you didn't make them super long. Mine were kind of short. Now, this body will probably not be quite as long as one of these because your own arms are not usually as long as your full spine. So I'll bring it down about right here. Then I'm going to start making another one. I'm going to follow the same basic idea. Down and then extend it again. And extend it again. Okay, but you might be wondering, how do we show off the joints better? Kind of do like this. Little separations or little bends, that's one way. Or you can completely forego the joints entirely. So I'm going to go ahead. I know this is roughly where my neck goes. I'm just going to ball there for the moment. That's about where I want that to go. Okay. You could actually get really expressive just by using lines like this. Put a ball there. There, now he's waving. This one, I'm going to go ahead and put a bend in. Just to show I want to see that elbow there. But this curve here makes that arm feel more expressive. So let's just do a straight line all the way down here. And then another kind of curvy one here. It kind of gives a feeling like maybe this character's frolicking or something. Just play with the curves, and play with the bends, and everything in between. But that'll let you add a lot of emotion to your stick figure, like this. So come down here. This guy's got a sword. And then down here, maybe he's kind of jumping up this way. He's got this leg extended out this way. This one is bent over here. Maybe this arm's coming down over here, and I'll put like a little some here. Maybe he's jumping over a box or something. Put a little jump there. See, this is mostly just a square. Like I started thinking through the shapes. Let's get rid of that line. Just keep that simple. It's mostly just a square. The whole thing about stick figures is basic ideas. What can you do without? What is the bare minimum of what you need? Put a dot, a little line for the eyebrows, and then just a circle for the mouth. And I just did that mouth kind of like this. And I just kind of did a curve. And I just filled in that space there. For the eyes, I just did balls. And then I just did lines like that. Don't have to get complex with stick figure faces. There's a basic way to do stick figures.